everyone. Today I'm going to show you some topsy-turvy magic. Do you think it's possible? No, it isn't. I'll show. Yes, it is. So, you see, I have a few cards. It's here, and I'm going to show you some magic with them. Here I have a fish with the arrow pointing in the which direction it's going. Some arrows here, and a little smiley saying hi here. So let's begin. And some lines here. So first up we have Mr. Smiley. Okay, do you see any difference here? No. So here it's winking and here it isn't. So now what do you see? Here do you see which side is blinking? The left one or the right one? Yes, it's correct, the left one. Why? Because it's all thanks to refraction. So here in next we have Mr. Lines. And so which color line do you see on the left? Yellow. Which one on the right? Purple. Now in plastic it looks same. Now go into the glass. Which is in the left hand? Which is in the left hand? Which is in the right? That's right. Yellow is in the right and purple is in the left. It's again all thanks to refraction. And next up we have Mr. Arrow. So we have a purple one at the right, a red one in the middle, and a yellow one at the left. So this is the order. Now look carefully. Looks same, looks different. So which one is on the left and which one is in the right? Middle will be same because there's no other place to switch. If there was four, then red and the other color arrow would switch. So now see which one is on the right and which one is on the left. Left is yellow, middle is red, and right is purple. Correct. Now here the order is purple, red, yellow. Now it's yellow, red, purple. Okay. Now it's time for Mrs. Bubbly Fishy. You see here it is. So let's this time go from see which arrow. Where is the arrow pointing? It's pointing at the left, right? But here now it's right. And now the arrow is again right. And okay, watch carefully. What did you see? Here, did you see the fish and the arrow pointing left, going left or right? It's left, right? But in real, I was moving it. It was going like this. So there's another experiment of the pencil. You might have seen it in my other video. So insert a pencil and it looks broken, doesn't it? That's because the medium is thin. Earlier it was traveling in air, now it's traveling in water. So, do you think my pencil is broken? Let's take it out and see. It's perfectly fine. But what about in here? Here, so it's the same. So, this is how refraction works. When the medium is changed, the light gets bended. So the pencil looks like it's broken. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more videos. Bye!